and welcome to the Quarries and Nature event 2015. There is some fantastic work going on to restore and protect the future of our lovely landscape, and I think it's time to give them some due recognition. Let's see who walks away with the awards.
And the winner of the 2015 MPA Restoration Award Cooper Hayman Cup is Hanson UK with Mr Hermes, RSPB, Aston Villa Football Club and Middleton Hall Draft.
Very pleased with winning this award. Yeah, we waited a long time to submit the site for this for an award, so it's been well worth the wait.
The winner of the Innovation Award is Cemex UK and RSPB.
Now, we also have a very special MPA award in this category, and it goes to Aggregate Industries Determined and Intrepid Assistant Quarry Manager cum Beekeeper at Greystone Quarry. Please welcome Anthony Alday. Okay, from innovation we move on to people, and this award commends people whose commitment really does make biodiversity work. Now, MPA decided that a very good way in which to gather evidence of what is actually in quarries is to take photographs. So they invited their employees to take photographs of what is happening on their own sites. They extended that invite to include volunteers who work for the RSPB and the Wildlife Trust.
In the employees category, our winner in this category is Michael Cardus from Tarmax Dry Rig Quarry in North Yorkshire. Swallow chicks! Is Michael here? And our winner in the volunteers category is John Casano at Knoll Quarry near Oakhampton in Devon, with his lovely juvenile peregrine falcon.
Right, so let's stay with people and recognise somebody who has gone above and beyond to ensure that biodiversity happens on his or her own site. This award is the Butterfield Trophy in memory of Brian Butterfield, who did just that. Congratulations, Chris Pennock of Tarmac. Please come up and collect your award.
Absolutely gobsmacked, to be quite honest with you. I was sort of sitting there and I was expecting there to be 2 or 3 different candidates, and the penny dropped when they said it's our biodiversity champion is, and I was like, that means it's me. And it was sort of like that moment of realisation. It's absolutely amazing.
That moves us on to our Landscape Scale Award.
It's the winner of this award, which is Hanson UK and Aggregate Industries for their work on
Yeah, really thrilled. Yeah, we put in such a lot of hard work at Bascombe, and yeah, 8 years I've been working there and achieved such a lot. So yeah, really pleased to get the award.
Very happy, yes. So to get 3 different awards and get recognised for all the good work we've been doing over the years, and it's nice to get recognised and to show local people what we do. We don't just dig holes in the ground, we do a positive long-term contribution to biodiversity in the landscape.
The MPA would like to acknowledge what the Cotswold Water Park Trust have achieved and the companies that work alongside them. We think they deserve due recognition.
So it gives me very great pleasure to announce special awards for all the mineral companies operating in the Cotswold Park. Hills Group, Hollymore Group, Hanson, Agri Industries, Tarmac.
It was a bit of an unexpected award, the water park thing. So I thought, really most of the mineral companies have had a finger in the Cotswold Water Park pie. So there's lots of good things we've created, and it's a really good example to have the water park to try and get local communities on board. So I think people who live in Cirencester and the villages around it really do appreciate the recreational facilities and the businesses that have sprung up on what was probably a green arable desert, I think, 30, 40 years ago. So yeah, it's a good example to show for other areas who feel threatened by gravel extraction that actually the water park can work. and a lot of the local communities would agree that it has worked.
And let's move on to our final award, which is for planned restoration.
The winner of the Planned Restoration Award goes to Smiths & Sons Bletchington Limited, Gilmill Quarry.
Excited, very pleased for the industry. It's been a great event. Very pleased for Smiths and pleased for my colleagues. You know, it's the hard work has paid off, and we can now hopefully deliver something that's going to be truly great in albeit 20, 25 years' time. But it builds on the legacy that we've already created, and the whole of the industry has got something special to offer.
I just want to take you back briefly to where we started this afternoon's proceedings with the issue of natural capital. MPA feels that Tarmac's work to date has broken significant new ground for both the industry and for the wider national cause. So they want to make a special award to the company, which I would like to ask Tony Juniper to present an MPA special award to Martin Kenny and David McCabe. So can they come forward?
The industry is ready to engage. We've got a great trade association. It represents the vast majority of all producers in the UK. We have large tracts of land. We plant lots of trees. We have the capability to really make a difference. And I think the will is there on our side. And the message we're keen to get across to everybody is that come and work with us. There's much more that we can achieve.
The last time we did this 2 years ago, I was blown away. I just didn't think it could get any better until today. What we've seen has just raised the bar even more. What the members are doing around the country in creating new habitat, protecting habitat and generating biodiversity is quite amazing. The photographic competition has given us some amazing shots that we'll be able to use for the future to tell the good story of what the industry is doing. Altogether, from what I've heard from people, very successful day and hopefully very enjoyable.